This is an affirmation meditation. I am so happy to share these affirmations and this alluring energy with you now. I ask of you to seek out silence. Close your eyes and imagine a golden light. This light represents healing. Imagine this light placed in the center of your body, right near your heart. Close your eyes. Place your hands onto your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. As we get into this general meditation, I want you to listen to my words and repeat these words with me. Do this often, on the daily. Eventually, you will begin to exist in the reality of these words. Do this as often as you wish. Even if you become annoyed, keep going and dedicate yourself to playing this every day. My life is filled with wealth. I am open and open-minded to comprehending and understanding everything going on in the world today. I am gentle with myself and others. I'm allowing abundance into my life 24/7. If something doesn't go my way, I do not dwell on it. I comprehend that what is meant to be will be, and what is not meant to be will not take place at this time. I am okay with this reality. I choose to think positively about what's bothering me because I know that I have the ability to overcome what is bothering me. And I have this power because I've taken the steps necessary to overcome anything. I do not force things or people to like, love, or accept me. I am allowing good things into my life. I have a healthy relationship with money. And I am powerful. My prosperity is limitless. Positive healing energy flows easily through me. The money I earn and spend makes me happy. I trust in and I believe in my abilities. I am a goddess in my own right. I trust that I am protected. I know that I am favored. The universe works for me and my best interest. I love today. I love that I am alive to experience this day. I am vibrating in this very moment. I am detaching from and at this moment officially detached from all people and things that do not serve my well-being. I am healing my own pace. I honor my boundaries. I learn to let things and people in the past who have wronged me go. I have divorced myself from all people, things, and habits that no longer serve me. I see the bigger picture. I am phenomenal at managing my money. I am a money magnet. I never let my mind make excuses for not achieving what my goals and my heart wants. I am evolving more and more every day. I love this fact. I am great enough, and I am just enough. Perfectly. I am healing at my own pace. I do not force things or people to like, love, or accept me. I am allowing good things into my life. I am powerful. I am a goddess in my own right. I trust that I am protected. I know that I am favored. I am gentle with myself and others. I am allowing abundance into my life 24/7. My life is filled with wealth. I am detaching from, and at this moment officially detached from, all people and things that do not serve my well-being. I honor my boundaries. I have divorced myself from all things and people and bad habits that no longer serve me. I see the bigger picture. I am evolving more and more every day. I love this fact. Thank you, beautiful souls. My name is Ebony. I go by Simone. This is an affirmation meditation. I am so happy to share these affirmations and this alluring energy with you. Thank you for this moment. You may now open your eyes